Chinese humanoid robots have been getting a lot of attention, both in China and overseas. You may have seen videos of them racking up millions of views. But behind those viral moments are some very practical questions. What can these robots actually do today? And how do engineers turn a prototype into something people can really use?
We came to the 2026 World Robot Conference to take a closer look.
This year's conference has a strong focus on humanoid robots, and there's one company that has a broad presence across industrial, commercial, and home scenarios, UB Tech. They have a full-stack technology system covering everything from AI models to the hardware itself, and they have brought multiple humanoid robot models to the show.
And today, they are going to help us answer some questions about where Chinese robots get today. I'm here with Michael. So Michael, what are some of the biggest highlights of your robots?
So in this year, we got 3 totally new products: industry robots, service robot, and a hyper-realistic robot to this event.
So a lot of people are curious about the actual capabilities of these robots. Could you tell us about some of the improvements that have been made so far?
For the embodied AI, especially for the humanoid robot development, is truly in a very early stage. So right now we are building a POC in the industry for building the brain. Last year, we mass productions over 169 human robots, and today we will bring more robots into the factory. That means more real data was collected. And then we build up the thinker to the world models. While on the real data, the world models will help us for producing more simulation trainings and bring more deployments to industry. We can create a mass production for more industry robots.
So what about your overseas market? Can you tell us how do you usually cooperate with your international partners along the supply chain?
Right now, we already cooperate with some of the top international leaders, like the Fortune 500 leaders. So they all come to China to cooperate with us because we are truly committed to open resources collaborations. So firstly, we're doing the pilot test here in China because we have the rich environment, holistic team to support them to co-create the human robots. The POC here is maybe 1 year, 2 years. Our product will upgrade step by step according to different needs.
What made it possible for these international collaborations, and what are your biggest strengths for the Chinese robotic companies?
The first thing is the efficiencies. So the upstream and the downstream collaborations is highly efficient in China. Total 4 generations of the updates is happening in about 2 years. That's one of the typical strengths for Chinese human robots industry. Secondly, I think the talent pool, the hardware and the software together allow us to make the highly efficiency happen. Finally, the working environments allow us to collect more real data from the factory. These 3 reasons allow us to make this industry the farthest area in the world.
Thank you, Michael. So we've learned a lot from you today. Finally, could you please share your vision for the next few years, especially regarding the opportunities for international collaboration, and also what new capabilities or application areas do you see emerging for humanoid robots?
Yes, we embrace international collaborations. We committed to the open collaborations around the world with the universities, with the global expertise for AI industry. These 2 years, we'll still focus the industry robot as a cornerstone to make the world models work for human robots. And then we can go into the service part under the training of the industry robots. And then finally, we'll bring robot into the family. I think the companionship robot could be one of the highly growth area.
From what we saw today, humanoid robots are moving into real work environments, and the pace is only accelerating. Behind that progress is continuous R&D and a close focus on what users need, including overseas customers. And by solving real-world problems and working with global partners, Chinese robotics companies are creating opportunities to grow together.